What's up, gearheads? Welcome back to MVP Auto 001, the channel where classic legends meet modern performance. And today, oh man, do we have a beast for you. Say hello to the 2025 modified 1937 Ford Coupe, a jaw-dropping blend of vintage soul and next-gen engineering. This is not your granddad's Ford Coupe. This thing looks like it came straight out of a time machine built in a speed shop. Let's dive into what makes this Restomod an absolute masterpiece. First off, that body. Still rocking the iconic swooping fenders and teardrop headlights of the 37 Coupe, but with a 2025 twist. The frame's been dropped, the grille's custom-milled billet aluminum, and that matte black finish with red pinstriping? Pure evil on wheels. Under the hood? Forget flathead V8s, this monster's packing a supercharged 5.0L Coyote V8, pushing out 710 horsepower. Mated to a 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Yeah, it growls. And it's not just loud, it's smart. Custom ECU tuning, an active exhaust system, and traction control keep it tamed until you want to unleash it. Step inside and it's like a private jet mated with a hot rod. Leather bucket seats with red stitching, a digital gauge cluster styled like analog dials, and a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Oh, and yes, it's got air ride suspension controlled from the dash. This build comes out of Blacktop Customs in Texas. 18 months of craftsmanship, 100% hand-built panels, and over 500 hours in paintwork alone. Every inch was touched with care. This is rolling art, folks. This 2025 modified 37 Coupe isn't just a car, it's a statement. Classic DNA, future tech, and straight-up attitude. If you love this build, drop a like, subscribe to MVP Auto 001, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next ride we bring to life. Got a favorite classic you'd love to see modernized? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep it loud, keep it fast, and keep it MVP.